Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. S. Patel, Professor and Head Department of Zoology, Krishna Mahavidyalaya, Territory, Budruk, Karnataka. First of all, I am very much thankful to the Principal, Dr. More R.S. of Brown College, Vita, also the Coordinator and the Head of the Department of Zoology, Dr. Rahul Patil, to invite me as a resource person for one-day national workshop on recent trends in applied zoology. This workshop is not only beneficial to the students but also for the society, particularly farmers, beekeepers, and academicians as well. But I have allotted the 3 points. The first one, honeybees, that is the types, domesticated and the wild, social activities or behavior, and life history. Now the first point, the varieties, the first variety is there, that's Apis dorsata, or that is the Indian rock bee. In Marathi, it is called as Agamashi. The three photographs which are shown here, the first one that is the Apis dorsata, then there is presence of hive, and the second that is the comb foundation sheet is there. This Apis dorsata, it is white, found all over India, larger in size, more than 20 mm, so-called giant bee. Always shift the colony because of scarcity of food and during extreme cold. Comb is large in size, having that is size 1.5 to 2.1 that is the meters side to side, and zero point 0.6 to 1.2 meters top to bottom, hanging on black rocks, blocks of multi-story buildings, on water tanks, and under bridges. Workers are generally light brown dorsally and ventrally grey colored. Drones are black and queen is yellowish brown. Workers are very active, can pollinate maximum flowers. Good honey gatherers. That's the yield, 36 to 40 kg per year, but not used in the apiculture business because they are very aggressive and having that is the fetal point. Now the second one is Apis florea. According to its size, that's Indian beetle or dwarf, that is the bee in Marathi, it is called as a fuluri. So the three photographs, the entire, that is Apis florea, then that is comb foundation sheet, along with that is the honey, and the second one that is the beehive, which is attached to that is the electric, that is the bolt. Then the Apis, this Apis florea, it is also wild, found all over India, smaller in size. The 6 to 14 mm, so called as the Indian beetle or dwarf bee. They live in any climatic that is the conditions, extreme cold and heat. They built a single vertical smaller comb having that is the hand palm size, semicircular or elliptical with a hexagonal to polygonal cells. Comb built on that is the branches of trees and in bushes. The comb size 1 foot that is side to side and zero point 0.5 foot top to bottom. Hexagonal except twin cells which are cylindrical on lower margin. Workers are dark, that is black with yellow bands or stripes on their abdomen. Drones are black and queen yellowish brown. And the workers are very aggressive. They are active, can pollinate maximum, that is the flowers. Poor honey yielder is that, can produce that is the half to 1 kg per year. Never used in apiculture business. Now the third one is that's dammer or trigona bees, which is a stingless. Sting is totally absent. This species of a bee without sting apparatus, stingless. So never bites. Occurs throughout the India. Bees are that is much smaller than other bees, build irregular that is formed with wax and resinous substance in crevices or in halo that is the tree trunk. They have importance only in pollination of various food crops. It can be domesticated, but honey yield is only 1/4 kg per year. Now the fourth one, which is very important in the apiculture business, that's Apis cerana indica. It is in Marathi. It is called as a satirima. That is the bee because it that is the builds seven that is the comb foundation sheet parallel to each other, which is shown here in this that is the photograph. Seven that is the comb foundation sheet parallel to each other. So it is called as a satirima. This one found throughout that is Asian countries, in India particularly in Western Ghats, medium in size, 12 to that is 16 mm. Comb size that is medium elliptical with a series of parallel 7 combs closer to that is each other, so called satiric bee. They require dark, shady place. So build the comb in gaps, crevices, or the holes of trees or dead wooden logs. Also found in between walls or inside that is the dead termitaria. Comb size 1.5 to 2 feet side to side and zero point 0.5 to 1 foot top to bottom. Cells are medium in size, 12 mm to 16 mm in size, hexagonal, except queen cells which are cylindrical. Drones are black. Workers are light yellowish with black bands on abdomen and queen that is the yellowish brown. Workers, good honey gatherers yields that is 15 to 20 kg per year. So used in apiculture business. So this species particularly which is used in apiculture business, particularly in the Newton's model, they are more that is prone to swarming and absconding. Their migration occurs there. That is the migration is there. Now the Apis mellifera, this species, European or Italian. We have this that is the foreign breed which is introduced in the Indian that is the agriculture business. So the photographs which are here, the first one that is the entire that is the Apis mellifera is there. Then the number of worker bees along with that is the pollen grains in pollen basket. And on the right side there are presence of these three castes, worker bees, queen, and the drones, which are shown here. Apis mellifera, it is also called as Italian or European bee. This species is exotic and introduced in India, that is agriculture business from Italy, found all over the world. Medium in size, slightly smaller than Apis dorsata, 10 to 16 mm. They never migrates from the bee wax or bee box. That's very important one. They build 7 to 8 combs, parallel, improved, and honey chamber. Drones are black in larger size. Workers are smaller, dark black with yellow bands or strips on the abdomen. Queens, that is the or queen, larger yellowish brown. Worker is very that is the active, can pollinate maximum flowers. Excellent, that is the honey yield is that's 30 to 40 liters per year. So used in the agriculture business. And for this, the Langström model which is used there. Workers are not aggressive and the communication is very perfect. Now this next that is the sub point is that beekeeping, the world scenario. The first one that is beekeeping in abroad, USA, China, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, Israel, and many other that is the European countries. And particularly in USA, the agriculture department has a separate horticulture division of the branch as a crop pollination. Beekeeping in India, particularly number of the states, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, then Karnataka, Kerala, mainly particularly in that is the hilly regions. Now the present involvement, the status, 2.5 lakhs beekeepers which are present in the hilly regions of India and 45,000 beekeepers in the villages. And the colonies are 13 lakhs, 22,331. Around about that is the, yes, 13 that is lakhs. That is the colonies are existing in India. 3 crores, that is the colonies can be managed in India. So the second main point is the honeybees, the social behavior or the activities. The definition which is given here. The social activities in the honeybees for obtaining or getting the food, reproduction to increase the progeny, and to protect or defend the colony. The social activities which includes that should be 10 points. The caste of honeybees, that's called as a polymorphism, many forms, division of labor, swarming and absconding, some sort of that is migrationism, comb or the nest, communication, sting apparatus, colony formation, parental care in honeybees, other sense organs, and very important one, that's the nuptial flight, that's copulation and the breeding. In short, it is called the life cycle. Now, the cost of honeybees, the first point is that in this social that is the activities, the queen, it is fertile female, only one in the colony, largest in size, and have that is the poorly developed mouth parts and legs, but having that is the sting apparatus. Queen develops that is the fertilized and unfertilized eggs, and the lifespan 3 to 4 years. Now the second, the caste is a drone or the fertile male. They are around about that is 200 in number, medium in size, 10 to 12 mm. They are without sting apparatus, wax gland. Then drones are developed from unfertilized eggs, and this that is the development which is called as a parthenogenesis. Having that is a haploid number of chromosomes, that is n number of chromosomes, even though they are that is the fertile males. Lifespan that is the 4 to 6 months. Now the next one, that is the workers or worker bees. They are also called as the sterile females. There are many thousand, 98% in the colony. Smallest in size, the length that is 6 to 8 mm, developed from fertilized eggs. Workers are sterile females because they feed on the bee breed throughout life. The lifespan 1.5 to 3 months, that is plus minus that is 4 weeks, that is during active season, and 8 to 10 weeks during the less active season. On certain occasion, when the colony is in need of a queen, some of the workers start laying eggs from which only drones are produced. These workers are called laying workers and are killed as soon as a new queen is introduced in the colony. Now the second point, division of labor. The queen throughout life to lay eggs only, about 1,500 to 2,000 eggs per day, so-called egg laying machine. Lays two types of, that is the eggs, fertilized and unfertilized eggs. Eggs in different, that is cells of comb. Queens can control and coordinate all these activities in their hive. Drone, even though they are developed from, that is the unfertilized eggs, they are fertile males and copulate with female during, that is the nuptial flight. The third one, the worker bees, in Marathi it is called as a kamkari machine. There are two types of or two groups which are present. The first one, outdoor worker bees, the outdoor that is the duties, and indoor worker bees, that is the household duties. The outdoor worker bees to collect the nectar and pollen grains and water from nectar, pollen grains from flowers and water, also searching of food and the nest building site. Indoor worker bees, they have that is the ideal, that is labor of division. There are some, that is the bees, worker bees, storekeepers, receives and unloading the nectar, pollen grains and water from, that is the outdoor worker bees, and stores in the store cells. Doorkeepers to check or prevent the entry of bees from other colony. Guard workers guarding the hive, that is the attacks on enemies. Nurse workers for food rationing given to larvae, queen, drones, and workers. Panel workers, that is the continuous beating of wings, supply the fresh air, that is ventilating and the cooling the hive. Cleaner workers to keep a colony clean, remove the debris from the colony, that is the dead eggs and larvae from the cells. Repair workers or constructor workers builds the weight wax secretion from the wax glands, honey ripener, honey ripening, that is sucrose, nectar is converted into fructose, levulose, and glucose, and that is the dextrose sugar. Now the worker bees, which are present there, the from first day to that is at the death, the division which is present there in Marathi. Now the next one, comb of the nest, the material which is used for the construction. It is made up of that is wax, mixture of pollen grains and wax gland secretion. Then selection of construction site, the construction of comb on three multi-story buildings, on water tanks or under bridges. Nearby localities should have plenty of food materials, flower nectar particularly. Plenty of that is clean and pollutant free drinking water. Construction site should be number of that is the exit passage. That's a very important one. Now the next one, structure of that is comb or bee nest. Particularly in these photographs, the two types of that is the cells mainly present there: store cells and the brood cells. Store cells which are present on the upper side, having that is the minimum, that's the size as compared to that is the brood cells. Worker cells having that is the 8 to 10, 10 to 12 that is the drone cell size which is present, and at the lower margin the cylindrical cells which are present there, 9 to 10, that's the queen cells which are present there. Now the swarming and the migration, that's very important one. Migration of bees from one place to other to avoid the overcrowding is called as a swarming. This happens during the favorable conditions. And absconding, total migration of the colony from one place to other, this happens during the unfavorable condition. Supersedure, if egg laying capacity of old queen is lost or sudden death of queen occurs, the younger queen takes over the work of old queen, that is the egg laying. It is called as a supersedure. Now the colony formation is nothing but the group of many individuals of the same species. So in a single colony, there are many thousands, that is the 10,000 to 30, or in some that is species, 40 to 60,000 bees lives together. All these bees are offsprings of single queen. That's very important one. So it is called as a matriarch colony. Now the communication that is in bees, that's very important one. The communication in the honeybees mainly by visual, that is by means of that is eyes, sensory, that is antennae, and the dancing movement, and which out of which that is dancing movement is very important. That is the activity of the phenomena for location of food material. Now the first one, type of dance. If the dance is circular, the food is in between that is 25 to 70 meters. If the dance is tail wagging, 8 shaped, food in between that is 75 meters to 3 miles. Speed of dance. If 32 that is the circles per minute, food exact that is 25 meters. If 8 circular that is the circles per minute, food in between that is 25 to 75 meters. If 32 that is the tail wagging that is the dance per minute, food exact that is 75 meters. And if that is the 8 tail wagging dance of the per minute, food in between that is the 75 to 3 miles. Now the third one, direction of dance. If the circular or tail wagging dance clockwise, food beyond or opposite to sun and the nest. And if circular or tail wagging dance is anti-clockwise, food is in between that is nest and sun. Now the sting apparatus. In worker bees, the female reproductive organs are modified because they are sterile females, and this that is the reproductive organs, female reproductive organ, modified into sting apparatus. It consists of sac, that is the large size, which is called as acid gland, secretes and stores the formic acid, and small outgrowth called as the alkaline gland. At the center on lower side present a lancet-like sting, the total structure surrounded by compact mass with powerful muscles. So these three, that is the photographs which are shown here. Parental care, that's very important. That is the activity which is by means of that is worker bees. Worker bees provides food material, that is bee bread or royal jelly to the larvae and one's queens. Removal of debris like dead eggs and larvae from the cells. Keeping or putting the eggs by worker bees in the cells properly. Cooling chambers or cells in summer by fanning or funnel by means of the funnel workers. Protection of queen during winter by gathering around the queen. And prophylaxis, that means the exchange of food materials between one bee to other. The test or check the sweetness of the nectar and the honey. Bees are sensitive to four colors: blue, green, yellow, and blue violet, ultraviolet. These colors are invisible to the human being. Honeybees can differentiate the taste of salt, sour, and bitter as well. Now the honeybees life history, that's the third point is that, in which the first point, nuptial flight, which is a very important one. The queen generally copulates once or sometimes twice in a that is the life, particularly 2, 3 that is the years. Queen takes the first aerial flight followed by means of that is the 200 drones or the males. Only strongest male copulate with female or that is the queen in mid-air. Drone dies after copulation because of genital organ totally torn off. Queen receives the spermatopods and stores in spermatica. Generally, queen receives 2 crores of sperm, comes back, and soon after emergency starts egg laying. So that's very important. Then eggs, larvae, and the pupal development, which is present there. The 3 photographs which are present here. The egg, very small in size, elliptical. The one more, that is the photograph which is present here at the center, and towards the lower side, that's the larval stages and the young one formation which is taken place there. Now the photograph of that is the eggs, then larval stages, how many that is larval formation which is taken place there, then that is the nymph stages there, and last one that is the young ones. The cost of honey, these queen, drone, worker bees, the eggs, genetics, fertilizer, that is the bee, and then type of food material supply, bee bread and the royal jelly, the queen and worker formation, and that is the unfertilized egg from which it includes the mainly 7 points. The first one, the honey, wax, propolis, royal jelly, bee venom, pollen grains, and very important in that is the pollination. The chemical composition of the honey, different types of that is sugars, particularly the monosaccharides, fructose and glucose having that is 38% and 40% that is the percentage which is present there, sucrose and other sugars. The second one, proteins are also present there, minerals, niacin, different types of vitamins, that is the C, B6, then riboflavin, B9, and 90% that is the water which is present there. The production of honey by different bees in first table which is given there, and the highest Apis dorsata is there, the third column which is present there, 10 to 25 kg per colony. Uses of honey in different countries, the domestic consumption, household medicine, then industrial consumption, per capita, that is the consumption which is present there, and the current position of these that is the uses in India in first column which is given there. The uses of honeybees, the first one, that's as a food material, because it is having that is a high caloric value. 1 kg that is the honey can produce
3,150 to 3,350 kilocalories. It is used in as a food material for the newborn to aged person. It is supposed to be an immediate source of energy. 2.1 gram honey can produce 67 kilocalories energy. It combines with other first foodstuffs like curd, butters, also in preparation of that is the delicious dishes, used in fruit salads. The second one as a medicine, it acts as an antiseptic. Also acts against that is cold, cough, fever, and the acts as a blood purifier. It also acts as a curative agent, sore of eyes, throat, and ulcer of the tongue and the alimentary canal. In severe cases like heart attacks, malnutrition, and ingestion, used for diabetic patients and the allergic patients as well. Other uses which are given there in preparation of chocolates, biscuits, and the cakes. It is also used in the preparation of different types of that is the alcoholic the drinks. In Marathi, that's the uses which are given there. The health benefits of the honeybees, honey, detoxify your body, helps you in to lose that is weight, improves the digestion. It is ideal for skin health and helps you fight against different types of that is the allergies. The second product is that's the bee wax. The worker bees particularly produce bee wax from that is the 4 pairs of that is the wax glands. Wax plates along with wax glands in the abdomen ventrolateral side. Wax production after 2 weeks of the life starts. Worker bees consumes 8 to 40 kg honey to produce that is 1 kg that is wax. Insoluble in water, soluble in ether and chloroform. Melting point is 63 to 65 degrees centigrade. Wax synthesizer from reducing sugars of alimentary canal. Pure wax is white or faint that is yellow in color. The uses, the preparation of models, wax models, wax flex in church candles, paints and varnish industries, and the main bulk of it used in preparation of different types of that is cosmetics, creams, and body lotions. It is also useful in engineering that is the industries like railway, pharmaceuticals, and other industries. Useful in the preparation of the adhesives, in laboratories in preparation of that is the blocks for tissues, that is the microtechnique. Now the third one, royal jelly, the chemical composition which is given there, that's water, then protein, sugar, fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, different types of vitamins which are, and the pH, the acidic pH which is present there. It is food of queen bee. Also the workers larvae for first 3 days, worker as well as the drones. Cream in colored, acidic in nature. The uses, dietary supplements in the preparation of body lotions, cosmetics, creams. Most demand in the human health as food to improve that is the human health. Then propolis, it is called as a glue because it produces by means of that is bee. So called as a bee glue. Resinous mixture collects from that is the buds, safflowers, and other botanical sources, used to fill up the small gaps and the crevices of the hive. Color depends on the plant, but generally dark, that is the brown color is there. The uses, particularly for bees, reduce vibration of hive, make hive more dependable by sealing, prevent the entry of disease and the parasites in the hive, and prevents putrefaction of in the hive. And for human medicinal, that's the value is that inflammations, then viral disease ulcer, improves the heart health, reduce that is the cataract, also treating in allergic that is the agents. Powerful that is the antibiotics, antifungal, antimicrobial agents, veterinary practices used as ointment for that healing and cuts. Other uses, the in natural varnish, in coloring, that is the violin varnish. Bee venom, the bee venom, number of that is the photographs that is they are collected in vials. Also one the machine XM, that is the left side, left upper side, that's the machine for the extraction of that is the bee venom. So generally what happens then, the when the bee that is the bites, the death occurs there, but the machine that's easily extract the bee venom from that is the sting, and there remains no that is the death occurs there. The chemical composition which is given there on extreme, that is left side, the proteins, enzymes, peptides, vitamins, amino acids, carbohydrates, lipids, and pheromones which are present there. The abdominal, the seventh segment of worker possesses that sting apparatus. Sting is barbed, catch the skin of victim, then dies. Sting consists of acid and the alkaline glands. Secretion of both the glands forms the venom. The properties of the venom, which includes the, it is transparent, a burning test, acidic, contain HCl, formic acid, and the histamine. The uses, it is used in the hemolysis of the blood. Recent investigation, that is the, it acts as an antibiotic and used in the different diseases for lowering blood pressure, useful in the neutral disorders, affecting sciatica, femoral and femoral that is the diseases. That's the structure of that is the poisonous apparatus. The chemical composition properties which are given there, the lipids, then peptides, minerals, the percentage which is in the ideal, that is the figure which is given, that is the on left side. It also play important role in the diabetic patient, that's the honey particularly used there. Then bee venom in cancer therapy as well, it is used there. Also that is it can kill, or bee venom can kill HIV, says the study. Then also used in that is the acupuncture, then treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, that's RA, that's called as a bee venom therapy is there. Then pollen grains, which collects pollen grains from the flower. The third leg having that is the pollen basket. Cross-pollination or the fertilization of the flowers takes place due to the bees. Pollen stores in the pollen chambers of the hives. The chemical composition which is given there, and the two figures which shown, that is the pollen grains. The uses, number of that is the uses which are given there. Inflammation, then toxicity, then physiological benefits, then enhanced energy, smoothness of skin, cardiovascular, that is the system, the prostate gland, libidinous benefits. So that's the beneficial aspects of the pollen grains. Thank you.